Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix notification history not operating on Mac. So sometime you may notice that notification count stays the same even after receiving new notifications, or the graph does not refresh with recent activity. This usually happens because screen time has not updating the data yet. Background services need a refresh or temporary software issue is preventing the latest notification information from appearing. The good news is that this is often easy to fix. So if you'd like to fix the issue, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to screen time and here click on notification in activity section. Now confirm that app and website activity is enabled since screen time need to collect and update activity data. Now leave your Mac running for a little while and continue using it normally. Screen time does not update instantly, so new notification data may take few minutes to appear. If the history still does not refresh, restart your Mac and check notification section again. If you are syncing screen time across multiple Apple devices, verify the share across devices is working properly and that you have signed in with the correct Apple account. Finally, if nothing works, install the latest macOS update if one available, as Apple regularly fix screen time reporting issue through software updates. And after these checks, your notification history should begin updating normally and continue recording the new notification as they arrive. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.